Welcome to Hey Las Vegas. I'm your host, Bror Fredrik, the voice of Las Vegas, bringing you all Las Vegas's latest news, updates, information, and what the actual F's. Today, I'm over here at TI, and I figured we'd walk about 200 yards that way and go check out what's going on at the Hard Rock / Mirage, because they are indeed tearing down the atrium, which is kind of sad, and I figured we'd go see it before it's gone forever. And we'll do that right after this. Alright, you ready? Let's go do this. Leaving TI now. It is an absolutely beautiful morning. And the Cowboys are in town. How you fellas doing?
Good.
Alright, this is going to be kind of sad. A little bit melancholy to see the atrium go. Been walking inside there, looking up, looking around for years. However, it's never looked as good as when it was new and after the end of the shutdown, believe it or not, because they absolutely polished it. Even the glass on top. I don't know how they did it. So how does everyone feel about the Mirage being gone? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious. I know how I feel. I mean, I got mixed feelings. I used to love the place. Had some really good times there over the years. But then once Hard Rock took it over, can't say that it's been the best experience. They actually detained me once. You can go, just search for the word detained, and you'll find out how I was detained at the Mirage. They still have this sign up. Thank you to the Mirage team members and Las Vegas community for 34 memorable years. So I have the pole with me, and we will deploy it and look over the fence. Look at the cranes. They are moving closer and closer to the street. Even though AWS was in town, the Amazon reInvent convention, and the Cowboys are in town, it's still pretty quiet. I think year over year traffic is, tourist traffic is definitely down. The town has honestly been dead. All right, you ready? Let's go see what's what over here. This spot, as of late, has been, how would I say? I wouldn't say a speed trap, but 5-0 has been hanging out over here and getting people blowing this light and doing dumb shit. However, the front of this place has been filthy. Absolutely freaking filthy. Because nobody's cleaning it. Everyone's like, it's not my problem. Belongs to the city. All right, let's get a little bit closer. No, actually, let's do a little climbing right on these cement things, and we'll have a look at what's what. All right, I'm gonna do some acrobatics over here. I gotta put down my coffee. The people at the TI were like, a little early for you there, Bror Fredrik. I'm like, never too early for coffee, or too late. All right, let's see what is going on. Deploying pole. Sorry about that. All right, you ready? Let's see. Until I edit this, you guys have seen more than I'm gonna see. Well, it appears as though part of the atrium is still up. I mean, that is glass. I don't think they're gonna just like rip it down or anything quickly. They're disassembling it slowly but surely. Let's see if we can get a better look on the other side. I'm curious to see what the concrete pumping is doing. I know they have to backfill a lot of this because, let me climb down from here. Because it's been saturated with water for the past 34 years. So they have to backfill it for the pilings. Alright, let's make our way down a little further. Let me go grab my coffee. Hope someone didn't drop a Mickey in there. I'd say the RUF word, but I'm not gonna. Alright. I got the LED lights on in the middle of the day. That's freaking genius. Listen how loud the music is from Walgreens over there. What I noticed too as of late, the town's been definitely pandering to the cowboys in towns. I mean, look at this shit. I mean, nobody's gonna clean this? Bottles, glass, condoms, just everything. I mean, look at this, broken glass everywhere. I mean, it looks like a total shithole. I mean, someone blew it into the corner over there, but come on. This is not what Vegas should be looking like. Man, those cranes are big. Look at these things. Yeah, they're beating pilings into the ground. Is that really gonna hold a 600 plus foot tower guitar / monstrosity? With all that saturated, oh my God, saturated earth in there? Yikes. All right, let's have another look. Imagine if that thing just started leaning like 2 feet to the left. Disaster. Alright, can't wait to see what that looks like too. Should we go a couple more feet down? Yeah, why not? Let's go see. I mean, just look. Yeah, that's safe. That must be modern art. Look at this. Broken bottles. Like, who's smashing bottles over here? Well, people, you know? Look at this. Just trash. Trash. Trash, I tell you. And this was not from people like, oh, that's F1. No, I don't think many people are doing the Fat Tuesdays for F1. Holy cow. Might have to make a short out of this. Bring some publicity to it. Alright, we'll take one more look from this side as I drink my coffee. I wonder why only this section is covering people's heads. They're expecting something to fall. I mean, the day they take this down, it's going to be sick. They should implode it. They can't implode the atrium because, camera looking at a camera. They can't implode the atrium because, shrapnel will be everywhere. All right, let's have a look over here real quick. I'm looking forward to seeing this footage. Let me hold on. Folding up my pole. There's people on the other side of the fence. I didn't cross the property line though. Yeah. I'm looking forward to seeing the rest of it. And as the construction continues, I'll continue to bring you updates. Let's go walk out in the middle of the street. I mean the racetrack. Let me have fun. Whoa, what the hell? What the hell is that? It's a freaking snake. Uh-oh, now this car's coming. What is that? I need to know. That is intense. Uh-oh. I mean, that is all rebar for what? I don't know. Look at this crane. This crane's kicking some ass. That was interesting. I guess they know what they're doing. Alright, let's boogie back. See if we can catch some views from the other side. I like taking the long views. We didn't take one when we first walked up. Those cranes sitting on top of the Venetian have been there since that failed condominium complex. You see, let me put down my coffee for a second. You see that right there? That is a tarp. I mean, it looks real from here, but that's a tarp. It's been there for 10 plus years, I think. At least 8. Failed condominiums. Imagine having a condo there, and they never took down those cranes. The wind is starting to pick up. I do apologize. I'll try to do something about that in post-production activities. And you know what? Drop in the comments too, while I have your attention, things that you might want to see on the next episodes of Hey Las Vegas, because I'm popping them out maybe 4 times a week, so that's plenty of coverage. If there's something specific you want me to talk about, you want me to go see, whatever the case may be, let me know. And if I think it's viable, if I think other people might be interested in too, I will certainly go do it for you. And on Fridays, I do my chat and chill. We have coffee, we talk about all the important and not so important things in life. And Saturday nights, we go marching live around the strip, and people watch and do all the fun stuffs. All right, let's pop our heads over the fence over here. Yeah, I'm not the only one who's interested in what's going on. This, believe it or not, is gonna take 3 years. 3 freaking years to build this place. That's it. See how quiet everything is? That's the new LED signage. That's all the rage now. Everyone's gotta have one. Sort of missed that pagoda that they had over there, but you know, it's Vegas. Everything changes. Might take forever, but it does. Alright, what do we got going on here? Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas. It's all fun and games until we tighten down the machines. Oh, hold on. I'm getting a phone call. Oh, that was Scam Likely. Now, oldies. I used to take pictures for Gillies back in the day. I didn't take that one, but those ladies are probably all in nursing homes by now. That's freaking old. Ancient. All right, let's head back to the TI. Yeah, I was just thinking, every time I walk past there, I always think about the things that I've done over at the Mirage and the fun things that I've had, and as well as the crappy things that's taken place. Let me know your good, bad, and ugly down in the comments. All right. I'm more amazed at the amount of trash that we just witnessed than the actual construction. Well, then again, I haven't seen the construction until I go and edit this video, which will be about an hour or so. But as we walk back to the TI, I'm going to invite everyone to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell button to get notified when I do this again, which is at least 5 times a week. And if you want to support the channel, you know how to go about doing that. I got all the links down there. I got all the stuff that I personally use and recommend. I wouldn't like hawk you any bullshit. And I do get a little commish. But what I really want to invite you to is my streaming platform, which is brorfredrik.com, where we can talk about all the things that truly matter. Getting healthy, wealthy, wise, and staying informed. So I'd love to see you there. And I got a 20% off coupon down below. And on that note, I love you guys. Bror Fredrik out.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.